Hey guys, this is Sky475 here reviewing a really awesome travel tripod. This is the Joby GorillaPod with a ball head attachment for DSLRs up to 6.6 pounds. So this one is a good size bigger than the smaller common brothers use for like smartphones and point and shoot cameras, which I previously have reviewed the GP1. So this one is just basically a bigger, more rugged version of that. It's been quite a while since I first unboxed this thing, so I've had plenty of time to put it through its paces, and here I'm going to give you my thoughts. So for those of you who are not familiar with Joby's line of tripods, they have a whole website with various different models ranging from the small size for your average smartphone up to very rugged, big size DSLRs with big heavy lenses. This particular model is geared for kind of the mid-size range, what you would typically buy for say an entry-level DSLR with a couple of good lenses up to a bigger full-frame camera with a medium-sized lens per se. The camera that I used to test out this tripod is my Sony a6000 mirrorless camera with a larger 18-105 power zoom lens. As with every GorillaPod, it has these multi-jointed legs that are very sturdy and stable, so once you kind of contort it to the way you like, it'll hold its place very well, and that's also thanks in part to the little rubber grips on each of the joints, and on the bottom it's rounded out with the same rubber material. This particular model comes with a detachable ball head which screws into the bottom portion using a typical 3/8 inch threading. The bottom portion is actually fitted with an original 1/4 inch threading, so you can actually remove the adapter that it includes with it if you really wanted to just mount your camera directly on the base without the ball head. And it also has the usual 1/4 inch mounting system that you can easily slide off the mounting plate by pressing this little button here. And the additional little bubble level at the edge is also a nice touch. However, I barely ever use the bubble level simply because this tripod is more designed to be fitted to various different locations, not necessarily level ones, so you could plant it on a level surface, but most likely you're gonna go ahead and tie it up to say a branch or a pole or something like that to get those outdoor shots that you couldn't otherwise get. I always take this tripod along with me when I don't want to carry a bigger tripod. Its length is just a little over a foot and it's very lightweight even though it's very sturdy, so I found this has been a really great lifesaver. I could just find a sturdy object for me to plant my camera on, take the photo, take the video, whatever have you, easily unwound the legs back up and just pack it up in my bag. So I think this is a definite buy for anybody who has a DSLR and travels a lot. I love the ball head that's included with it. The tightening knob is rock solid. I think the only thing I have a little bit of a complaint about is just the mounting plate. It doesn't have a quick ring that I can use to quickly tighten it with my bare hands. Instead, I have to get a quarter or some coin to tighten it to my camera. I also wish just the shape of the mounting plate would be a little bit more square and offer a little bit more surface area to offer a little bit more grip. Sometimes I feel like my camera might be slipping a little bit, so I just would appreciate it if it was a little bit more of a standardized mounting plate. But other than that, I can highly recommend this tripod. I think there's no reason why you shouldn't get it. It's so versatile. Just go ahead and pick it up. The link will be in the description as usual. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Sky475 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Sky475. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Sky475. Thanks for watching.